Hey, what's up? What's up? Welcome to Playbook Affiliates. My name is Lonnie Welch, and I want to thank you for stopping by at my channel. If this is your first time here, please make sure you hit the like, the share, and all that good stuff, so that way these videos can get pushed out to more people, and more people get to see the truth about affiliate marketing. So I've been doing affiliate marketing for almost since about 2010, and I've seen all the ups and downs and sideways and everything else that could come from this. But I will say one of the things that I have found, I started putting like different strategies and different things together. So when I tell you I've bought tons of programs, tons of different trainings, and did different things, and some worked, some kind of worked, some didn't work at all. Some was just rehash stuff that you seen somewhere else, and they didn't really do any of the stuff that they're saying that they're doing. So here's what I'm doing. I'm doing something where I've put together these strategies based on a bunch of things that I've found and have made things work. So I'm going to work backwards on this here part, explaining to you what we're going to be doing and what this channel is all about. So here's what's going to happen after you've been through this here, the training that I'm giving, which is free. And when I tell you, people have charged thousands and thousands of dollars on what I'm about to literally give to you for free. So you can take it from here and learn and grow and take your life to a different level, in which I have multiple businesses. One of my biggest business of this year, I've since the 2023, probably my biggest business. I made a little over $165,000 in 1 year. So that's just one of my businesses. So I got some other ones that I'm brewing and put together and making money from those as well. But this here strategy that I'm going to be showing you is going to be the foundation. If you learn and use what I'm giving you, you literally will have the foundation it takes to build an online business and go from there. So anyway, we're going to work backwards. Obviously, this is what we want. We want the purchase, we want the cash, we want all that good stuff. From that, talk to with affiliate marketing. Basically, you are the bridge between you and the person that actually has something to sell. You're that bridge point. So this is the sale. This person will do all, this person or company, whatever it is, they will do all the selling for you right here. Then next, you're the bridge. This is where you get the opportunity to introduce yourself. And then by introducing yourself, what happens is you create a synergy, a like, love, hate, don't like, whatever. You create that in between, so when you talk about something and people have gotten used to seeing you and see what you're working on, they understand that this guy or this woman, whoever it may be at this bridge point, is telling you the right stuff, and that's what's helping you move on to the next level. The opt-in is about giving away something for free that can help you build out your program. So these are going to be different ways that we're able to create traffic to your opt-in. Your opt-in allows you to send emails about what you're doing, and you create, these are a group of people that know that you may know because of your email. So we'll be doing this through YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, and Google. There's a few other channels that you can use to generate traffic, but these are the ones that we're going to use. Now, we're not going to use every last one of these at the same time, but what we are going to do is we're going to learn how to use them, when to use them, why we're using them. Hopefully that makes sense. Then from here, we create emails being a welcome email talking about what you're doing, introducing them to your YouTube channel. If you don't want to do a YouTube channel, it could be a Pinterest channel, it could be a Facebook channel, it could be a TikTok, whatever it is that you want that vehicle for someone to get used to seeing you on. And then you use that to send emails, and then eventually you're talking about your particular product that you're talking about at that point. So here's one thing I don't want you to get caught up on. You don't need 9 emails. I just wrote 9 emails for the hell of it, to be quite honest with you. Really, it's you send out a certain number of emails, and then some people may like that product and some may not, and you might introduce them to a new product or new training or new whatever it is. So this is the lifeline of your business. Creating emails, that's the lifeline of your business. I don't care what anybody else says. This is where your money is at. And one thing I want to say before that is I had another business, which is a sports business. And during the pandemic, I nearly lost it. But what saved me was that I had an email list. And I had always created an email list because somebody said you should create an email list. And I created it for the sports business. And I've always had this email list till today. Like, let me see, maybe an example is something like an email I'll show you. Literally, probably it's one something right now. Somebody is sending to that email list right there. So, and I've created that for the sports business, and that has like really made me different from anybody else in my industry. So I learned that from online. I carried that to a brick and mortar business, but I also use the same thing for my online business. So I always create an email list. So anyway, that back to what I was saying. So in the pandemic, when everything was going south, nobody knew if they go outside, come outside, all that good stuff, bad stuff really. I was able to use that email list when everybody was shut down. I was able to use that email list to not only get over the hump, but hell, I actually made a little more money than I would have made normally because I really utilized that list at that point. And so from that point on, that really was the changing for me and me understanding how important an email list is. Having an email list it can do so many things for you. So like literally, if you don't have any money right now and you have an email list, you can hit your email list and have some new product that your people that's attached to you may be interested in. Boom, all of a sudden you got sales coming through because they like and trust your opinion. So, and that's the one thing that you do want to pay attention to when putting this stuff together. You want to put together, and people don't talk about this much, but man, your reputation is everything. So that's just like me introducing myself to you and explaining to you what I'm doing online. It's my reputation. So me doing this, if I come off as a sleazy, slimy person or whatever, you're not gonna trust me, and we'll never do business together. And that's should be important to you. So anyway, with that being said, I hope you enjoy the channel. I'm going to be doing a lot of different things. I already did one small playlist of videos. I actually kind of stopped it because there were some different things that was going on with the program. I still make money from it, but I kind of stopped it because it was something that didn't really resonate with me. It works, don't get me wrong, it works. But what I'm moving forward in, I feel like this is a much better suit for the channel that I'm creating. So I'm gonna start there, starting from scratch, and then I'm gonna work this thing and show you guys everything that I'm learning. There won't be anything held back. You'll be able to ask questions and all that good stuff. I got a Facebook channel that's coming along with this too, so you'll be able to take it from there. With that being said, hey, I look forward to you being a part and seeing the process of this one strategy away system. All right, let's get going.